Master 3D smile designs and increase the profitability of your dental practice. On Sunday, February 5th, this full-day hands-on course in New York City will teach you how creating in-office 3D dental mock-ups can be simple, fast, and cost-efficient. The program is focused on getting you ready to deliver a reverse engineering treatment plan, enabling you to practice dental photography with your iPhone camera, perform smile simulations in just 1 minute to better educate your patient towards the treatment, and create facially generated 3D dental wax-ups in your practice to reduce the chairside time and the overall cost of your treatment plan. Increase the profitability of your dental practice. Reserve your seat for this amazing course. Seats are very limited. Book your seat now.